Hello English learners and welcome to today's English lesson. Today's lesson is a request from one of our fellow subscribers, so thank you to Raquel from Brazil for your question regarding indefinite pronouns. I hope you have your papers and pens ready because if you want to remember today's lesson and learn and improve your English, I encourage you to take notes on today's topic, which as I said is indefinite pronouns. There are other indefinite pronouns, but today I just want to concentrate on the following, which often cause confusion when learning English as a second language. We use these indefinite pronouns to refer to people in a general way. They are not definite. We use these indefinite pronouns when we do not know or do not need to say the specific person. For example, everyone at my workplace is friendly. This is the same as saying every person at my workplace is friendly. We are referring to the people in general, all of the people at my workplace. Another example, someone stole my car. I don't know who the person is, he or she is not defined, so I've used an indefinite pronoun. That's the idea of indefinite pronouns. So some important points to be aware of. All of these indefinite pronouns are singular. We use them all with a singular verb. For example, we can say everybody in the meeting is bored. Not everybody in the meeting are bored. Or everybody drinks water. We add the third person singular S, drinks. An exception to this rule is we can use plural pronouns, they, their, and them, to refer back to indefinite pronouns. For example, everyone in the meeting was bored, they all fell asleep. I've found a set of keys, has anyone lost their keys? Alright, so let's go through each of these individually to understand the meaning and how we use them in a sentence. Firstly, somebody means the same as someone. Anybody means the same as anyone. Nobody and no one are synonyms, and everybody and everyone are also synonyms. The only difference is that the pronouns ending in one are slightly more formal, and it is better to use these in formal writing, essays, etc. But in daily conversation, they are completely interchangeable. Somebody and someone are used to refer to a single person when we don't know who they are, or it's not important who they are. We can say they are an unspecific or unknown person. Somebody and someone are normally only used in positive sentences. For example, someone stole my car. This means a person stole my car, but I don't know who the person was. Someone's at the door. This is a contraction for someone is at the door and just means a person has knocked on your front door. And of course, we don't know who they are. They're on the other side of the door. And for those of you that are aware of the children's book, Goldilocks and the Three Bears, somebody has been sleeping in my bed. The bear doesn't know who, but he is aware that a person has slept in his bed. Next up, anybody and anyone. These are used to refer to a person or any person. They are mostly used in negatives and questions. That's very important to remember. Negatives and questions with anyone and anybody. For example, don't worry, I didn't tell anyone your secret. This just means I didn't tell a single person. Did you know anyone at the party? Did you know a single person? Next up, nobody and no one. And these are used to refer to no person or not anyone. No one is always written as two separate words or with a hyphen. And nobody and no one are normally only used in positive sentences. And this is very important again. We don't normally use nobody and no one in negative sentences and questions. Some examples. Nobody enjoys boring meetings. This is present simple and means not one single person in general enjoys boring meetings. I'm lonely. I have no one to talk to. And as I mentioned, we don't use in the negative. So it is incorrect to say, she does not talk to no one. That really stands out and sounds very uneducated. Instead, you would say, she does not talk to anyone. Remember, I told you that anyone and anybody are most often used in negatives. And the last of the indefinite pronouns used to talk about people are everybody and everyone. These are used to refer to every single body or every person. They are most often used in positive sentences. Everyone had a great time at the wedding. I hope everyone is enjoying this lesson. I would like everybody watching this lesson to improve their English as quickly as possible. What I would like you to do now is to write sentences in the comment section using these indefinite pronouns that I have taught you in this lesson, and I will provide feedback on as many as I can. This is a great way to learn for free. So if I were you, I would take advantage of this offer. I will make another lesson on the indefinite pronouns used to talk about things and places, and I will post this in a couple of days to complement this lesson. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Please share this lesson with friends, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you found today's lesson helpful. I wish everybody the best of luck with their English goals and life goals. Cheers.